gorgeous. It is going to be nice for your evening plans if you can handle the heat. Once again today, near record heat, just a few degrees away from those record high temps and a few days away from November. So we want those temps close to 90 gone. Still hanging on to the middle 80s in Houston. That wind really starting to pick up out of the south to southeast around 10 to 20 miles per hour. You can kind of see that camera shaking there, and that breezy condition will continue for the next few days, really all the way through Halloween. As far as Pearland, Sugarland, Conroe, hello to you, and hopefully you are handling the heat okay. Make sure to drink plenty of water because those temps are still soaring well into the 80s. Now here's what is a little exciting to me. It has been a long time since we've had some decent rain popping up on our Fox Red radar. It hasn't quite reached Houston yet. Best shot will be near the coast, but between Angleton and Lake Jackson, some heavy downpours. So enjoy it because those showers have been few and far between. However, weather pattern is about to flip on us. Once again, we're tracking this storm system back across Salt Lake City, Vegas. It is going to push to the east and gradually dip southeast, and it should reach us by Wednesday and Thursday. So guess what? That means all of this dry weather about to come to an end, and it's not the best timing. Of course, a lot of you have huge plans, especially Thursday evening. All the kids want to go out and trick or treat, and you may have a Halloween party to go to, and it looks like the weather will be going downhill, unfortunately. Check out our exclusive Fox Model Futurecast showing by 3 p.m. Wednesday, spotty showers and storms bubbling up over the area, and a few of those could be strong. There will be a bigger severe threat to our north, but we can't rule out a few strong storms here as well. I think the main event, unfortunately, coming on Halloween afternoon and evening, especially between 4 to 8 p.m. Look at this, 4 p.m. Thursday, a line of scattered showers and storms rolling through and still sticking around through 7 p.m. So plan accordingly. You may need a backup indoor plan for your trick-or-treating. Also, we're monitoring a disturbance in the southwestern Caribbean, just a low to medium 40% chance that it will develop into a tropical system over the next week. Won't head here, but it could impact some of the Caribbean islands and maybe Florida, so we'll be watching closely. But for now, for tomorrow at least, you can keep the umbrellas at home. Most likely rain chances just 10%, but notice what happens on Wednesday and Thursday. 60 to 70% chance for rain. It's been over a month since we've had measurable rain for the Houston area, so it's needed rain, but just coming at a not so great time on Halloween.
Fox26, your Gulf Coast Weather Authority. I know a lot of families are planning for Halloween, what kind of costume to get, but now they might have to make a little bit of adjustments here.
Exactly.
Add something else to the costume.
Yeah. Trick or treat plan A, trick or treat plan B, yeah. Because it may be a little soggy. I'm not trying to rep. It's not looking that great. It looked pretty good a day or two ago, but the weather has kind of gone downhill. So let's talk about it. It's not going to be the nicest weather. It will start to get a little bit cooler towards the end of the week, but we're going to have to deal with some rain, and it could be heavy rain. Today it was more about the record high temperatures. In fact, College Station, Galveston, you tied the record high for today. So we're a few degrees out from the month of November. We're still talking about temps in the low 90s, highs near 90, 91 for Brenham. College Station for today, 85 for you in Galveston, close to 90 in Houston. We were 1 degree away from that record high out at Bush and Hobby Airports in Houston today. So we need a break from all of the toasty temps, and we need a little rain as well. We just don't want it on Halloween. Right now, we've got temperatures out there that are still pretty warm. In fact, around the Galleria area, still 80 degrees. We had a few showers kind of starting to fall apart near Cypress and Jersey Village, but there's more on the way. So if you missed out today, don't fret, don't worry, because we definitely have a decent chance for rain for the middle and end of the week. So we're staying warm, but you will notice it getting a little breezy out there the next few days and more humid. Halloween weather could be more of a trick, not a treat, unfortunately, as showers and storms will really start to increase for Wednesday and for Thursday. Tomorrow, though, is going to be mainly about the heat and the wind. That wind will pick up out of the south, pumping up that moisture and, of course, keeping the toasty temps in place. Once again, near 90. Best shot for record heat likely stays to our north, but we'll once again be a few degrees shy from those record high temperatures. As we go into the middle of the week, This storm system, this front that will be pushing into the center of the country tomorrow, will start to dive south by Wednesday and especially Thursday into the state of Texas. So our exclusive Fox Model Futurecast will show you just that. Not much rain expected for your Tuesday, maybe a few more showers, especially near the coast, but rain chances really starting to pick up Wednesday afternoon and evening. In fact, right around 3 p.m., notice that color over Houston, the orange and the red. That's heavy rainfall that will likely be pushing in. As we go into Thursday afternoon and evening, actual cold front will push through. This is not good timing because notice this is 4 p.m. We've got a broken line of showers and storms. That means heavy rain, lightning that could be dangerous for trick-or-treaters, and the storms are still lingering by 7 p.m. on Thursday when a lot of kiddos will be heading out for trick-or-treating. So like I said, don't cancel your plans, but the chance for rain is definitely increased, and you want to have a backup plan just in case that you can't get out there in the showers and storms. We're also still closely monitoring a disturbance in the southwestern Caribbean now with a medium 40% chance for development. It could become tropical storm or Hurricane Patty by the end of the weekend into early next week. Good news for us, it's not going to head here, but it could end up pretty close to Haiti, Jamaica, Dominican Republic, and it could spread some rain up towards Florida. So still something to watch. I don't think we're going to get much if Patty develops, but we are going to get potentially 1 to 2 inches of rain between Wednesday and the weekend. So plan accordingly. Rain chances up to 60% Wednesday, 70% for Thursday afternoon. Trick-or-treating not looking that great right now. It will feel comfortable, 78 degrees by 7 p.m. But rain chances, like I said, about 60-70%. Rain chances go down a little bit for your weekend outdoor plans, but overall, that chance for rain has gone up. We need the rain officially out at Bush Airport. It's been over a month since we've had a drop of rain, so we need it. Like we've been saying, though, horrible timing.
Right. Get that plan B ready.
Right.
I know. Of all days.
Yeah.
So
Exactly.
unfair. I can't believe it.
No rain and then downpours on Halloween.
Oh,
Maybe it'll change. Hopefully we'll get it out of here before trick-or-treat time.